Okay guys, it's like 5:45 in the morning and we're headed to the mountain. We'll take some shorts on the way up, and here we go. Alright, we're almost at the base of the mountain. And there's a little view of what I see. And this is where we're going clear the hell up there. Alright, we'll talk to you in a minute. We stopped for a little break. Yeah, we need some water. It's starting to get steep. Everything so far so good. I'm tired as hell, but out of shape. You know how that goes. Anyway, we'll talk to you in a little bit. Say bye, Cease. She's like, yeah, screw you. Okay, what we're looking at, there's an old mine up here. These are the tailings piles. This is up. So, we still got a lot of way to go. See you in a minute. Alright, this is where I made it before. Sun's up, here's the sun, boom. I still have all that to conquer. So we'll see you soon. I thought that was kind of cool. A rock or a tree growing around a rock. Alright, update you. We've hit Malens Peak. We're headed down to the Basin now, down there somewhere. So, I'm not going to try to make this very long. Cease is still with me. It took us 4 hours to get from the base of the mountain to Malens Peak, so we're headed down to the Basin now, and I'll show you when we get there. Okay, here's Cease. Say hi, Cease. She's like, yeah, whatever. Alright guys, we found it. This is the old boiler. I'm going to try to get in here the best I can. You see right here, my shadow's in the way. I'll try to keep my shadow out. It says number 3. But the amazing thing, it's a big boiler. Amazing thing, it's right over here. And this is what it says. The Ames Iron Works, Oswego, New York. A little off in the distance over there is, I'm not going to go find it. It's the wheels for this. And there you go. So, a lot of things to do with the Ames. Ames was a big part of the Transcontinental Railroad, which research I'll be doing next. But this is just pretty neat. Like a piston. But this is, I've been trying to get up here for years. This is the, there it is. Alright, man. Sit. Look at the tree. Look at this kid. Good. Alright, we're still live here. I don't know how much battery I got left. Hello, fly. There's no service here down here at the boiler, so we can't go live. But we're going to get back on Malens Peak, and we might do a little quick show for you up there. We're just down here drinking spring water. Cece's having some munchies, and I'm having a Pop-Tart. But hey, there you go. We're going to be headed out here in a minute, head back up and get down off the mountain. It's 11:35, real quick, if this is still being recorded. Got here at, what, 5:30? It was 6:30 I got to the mountain, 10:30 I reached Basin's Peak, and now we're at 11:35. We're down here at the boiler, we've taken the pictures, and now we're headed back. So I'll see you in a little bit. Yeah, we're still recording. Holy shit. Yeah, we're just taking a break. Oh, well, it's recording. Here, let me try something. Let me show you. Ah! Oh! Ah! Yeah, this will be edited. This is where we're... Here's a little stream. This just comes clear from up there. Yes, we're drinking the water. Okay. And the boiler is right there from the stream. Okay. We're good. Okay, bye. but we're on our way down. It was easier going up. Stopped for a water break. Yeah, I'm not doing good right now, guys. So, wish me luck. I would sit here and take a break for a minute. Cece's on a break, I'm on a break. It's not good. I could go for a nap right now without a problem.